You alright, Fluff? Come here, sugar. Good girl, Patsy. You're sweet. I know. I worry about him too. You're a good girl. You right, Fluff? It's a long one. Good boy. He's okay. It'll pass. Who's a good boy? Oh, honey, you never get this for this long. Usually he gets this a lot harder and more fierce, like faster. And then, but it only lasts like 10 seconds. I could never get it on camera. Come here, Fluff. Fluffers, come here, honey. Stop. And then big gobs of snot will come out sometimes. Come here. Hello. I'm not going to hurt you. I'll get you. I get you. I get you, my pretty. Come here, sugar. What are you doing, Fluff? Oh, seriously? Oh, give me a break. Come here. What are you doing, baby? You all right? Let's take a look at you. Well, I'm glad I finally caught it on camera for y'all. Let me know what you think. It usually is more like really fast and lasts like 10 seconds. That was slower and longer. Huh, Fluff? Baby.